Hi class, this is Karen from Karen's Classroom. Please subscribe and press like. Thank you so much. Okay, so today class we're going to learn about this, that, these, and those. Okay, now when we use singular, singular means one item, one thing. Okay, plural is 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, or more. So when we use this, I can say, this is my pen. This is my pen. Now, it's one thing, one, and it's close. It's close to me. It's not over there, it's right here. This is my pen. Now, if it's not close to me, I would say that. That is my pen. So I can set it on the table. That is my pen. So that, still one thing, one item, far away from you. That. I'm not holding it. It's not close to me. That. So this is my pen. That is my pen. One thing. Singular. Singular. Now, if I have 2 or more, say I have 3, 4, 5, okay? All right? This is plural. Plural. Okay? More than one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pens. I'm going to say these. These. Okay? 2 or more. 2 or more. It's close to me. These. These. These are my pens. These are my pens. Now, if I put them far away from me, put them on the table, those. Those. Those are my pens. Those are my pens. Okay. Close to me. These are my pens. These are my pens. Far away. Those. Okay. Those. 2 or more. Far away from you. Okay. Those. Now, the pronunciation, we have this, 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 and remember this, okay? This pen, okay? It's close. This is my pen. Okay? That. So I take the pen. Okay? That is my pen. That is my pen. That. These, long E, these, and a Z sound at the end. These, close to me, these are my pens. These are my pens. I can take these pens, those, those, far away. Okay, far away from me. Those, pronunciation, those. Those are my pens. Okay, class, we're going to do a lesson using this, that, these, and those. Now, the first question, we're using this. Remember, this is singular, meaning one thing. This. Is this your book? Question. Is this your book? So is this your book? Is this your book? Answer, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay. Now, class, when we ask a question with is this your book? Yes. It, they're talking about the book, but the answer has the question word, is. Is this your book? Yes. Yes. It, the book, is. Is this your book? Is this your book? Yes, it is. It, the book, is. Same as the beginning question. Now, number 2. Same book, but not close to me. Now it's far away. I say, is that your book? Is that your book? Okay, it could be on the table, it could be over there, it could be here, but it's not close to me. Is that your book? Is that your book? Is that your book? Yes, so I say yes. It, okay, remember it, we're talking about the book. The book is it. And then is the question word we started with, is. So is that your book? Answer, yes, it is. Question, is that your book? Yes, it is. Okay, singular, one book. Now we have plural, 2, 3, 4, 5 books, as many as you want. Plural, more than one. Plural, plural. So, question. Are these your books? Are these your books? Okay, more than one. They're close to me. Are these your books? Answer, yes. They, remember, it's plural, more than one. And right now I have 3. 1, 2, 3 books. So are these your books? Yes. They, talking about the books. Okay. Plural. 1, 2, 3. 3 books. And then are. We start the question with are, our question word. We answer with are. Okay. Are these your books? Are these your books? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Now, same books, but they're not close to me. I'm going to put them on the table. Question. Plural, those. Are those Are those your books? Are those your books? Okay. Are those your books? Not close to me. Now it's far away. Are those your books? Are those your books? Are those your books? Question. Are those your books? Answer. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. So they, talking about the books, plural, more than one. And then are is my question word. Are those your books? Are those your books? Yes, they are. Now, if my answer is no and it's negative, then instead of saying, is this your book? Yes, it is. I would say, no, it isn't. Okay? No, it isn't. Okay? Or I can say, no, it's not. Or I can say, no, it is not. Okay? It's the same. So, is this your book? Is this your book? Question. Is this your book? I say no. No, it isn't. No, it's not. No, it's not. Or no, it is not. Okay? So we have different options here. Now, take the book, put it on the table. Question. Is that your book? Is that your book? Is that your book? And I say, no, it isn't. Okay? All right? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Same thing. I can say, no, it's not. No, it's not. Or I can say, no, it is not. No, it is not. Now, plural. Question. Are these your books? Are these your books? So I say no, plural, they aren't. Okay? No, they aren't. No, they are not. No, they are not. Now, same books. Are those your books? Are those your books? No. No. They aren't. Or we can say, no, they are not. No, they are not. Thank you so much, class. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and press like. Bye. Have a great day.